How to enable and use Zen Mode on the OnePlus 8, Android Central. Smartphone addiction is a huge issue. And Oxygenos has a built-in feature that lets you take a break from your phone. Zen Mode automatically blocks all notifications and prevents access to apps on your phone. With the feature designed to promote mindfulness and curb screen addiction. Here's how to use Zen Mode on your OnePlus 8. Once you add the Zen Mode tile to the Quick Settings menu, you can launch the mode at any time just by pressing the tile. Once you launch Zen Mode, you'll see a splash screen that tells you to take a break from your phone. Before you begin, you'll see a page that highlights the fact you won't be able to receive or send notifications for the duration of Zen Mode. All your apps will be locked as well, aside from the camera and the ability to make emergency calls. The default setting for Zen Mode is 20 minutes. But you can also use 30, 40, and 60 minutes. Just select the duration and hit the Let's Go button to launch the feature. Once the mode is active, you won't be able to use your phone for the set duration. All you'll see is a countdown timer, along with the date and time and the remaining battery life. The goal with Zen Mode is to promote mindfulness. And it does a good job in this regard. If you're getting overwhelmed by the incessant notifications and want to take a break from your phone for a few minutes, you should try out the feature. The OnePlus 8 combines robust internal hardware with a clean software and useful features that go a long way in promoting mindfulness. If you're looking to cut down on your phone usage but aren't able to quite manage notification overload, you'll love what Zen Mode has to offer. There are a lot of apps and services that promote mindfulness. So if you're looking for a way to unwind at the end of the day or need guided breathing exercises and want to give meditation a try, take a look at these services. Headspace is one of the oldest and most trusted meditation and mindfulness apps. It offers hundreds of options for improving your physical and emotional health, and guides for working on stress management. Calm is my go-to service for relaxing ambient music. The service also has guided breathing exercises and sleep stories that are wonderful. We love the OnePlus 8 Pro, especially its 120Hz AMOLED display. A screen protector is installed on the phone out of the box. But if you find yourself needing a new one, here's what we recommend buying. Have a OnePlus 8 and want to keep its display safe from any and all potential damage. Here are the best screen protectors you can buy. Wireless charging is a wonderful feature that we've wanted on OnePlus phones. And it's finally here on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Finally, we can use wireless chargers with OnePlus. And these are the best ones to start this beautiful relationship with. Harish Janalagada is the regional editor at Android Central, a reformed hardware modder. He now spends his time writing about India's burgeoning handset market. Previously, he used to ponder the meaning of life at IBM. Contact him on Twitter at @ChunkyNerd. Text source, androidcentral.com.